Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the color of your walls and then add some furniture in, okay? So I went to the last tab up here, which shows like a chair, and then if you go to the first tab where you see a paintbrush, and what I want you to do in this one is you're going to choose the paint that's closest to your room right now. So if you have a gray room, you're going to paint it gray. You will get a chance to modify and change your room in a little bit, okay? So find a paint color that's close. And once you find it, you're going to drag it over. And if you drag it over to a wall, you'll see the two circles pop up. The one on the outside is your outside color, and then the one on the inside is your inside color. Okay, so I'm going to drag it over to that circle and leave it there. Now I need to do that to each wall. Okay. And so on and so forth. And if you go to your 3D view, you can see now I missed that wall, but all the rest have been painted that color. Okay? So I got to go back and get those extra walls still with the paint. Okay? Go back to my 2D view. Now I don't know if you're able to change the color of the floor. You are. Okay, so if they automatically put in a floor and you have a certain color carpet in there, just drag the paint over to your floor and that'll make it look like that carpet that you have in your room. Okay. Now, adding furniture to your room, okay, you are going to find furniture that is close to your bedroom. It won't be exactly the same. Okay, so if you have a twin bed, okay, you're putting a twin bed in your room. Again, you will get a chance to modify and make a dream bedroom. Now, your twin bed should be the same in those drawings that you sent me. It should be on the same exact location where you have it. Okay? And then if you run your mouse over it, you can kind of see the different options. Okay? Chest of drawers, nightstand. So here's a nightstand. And again, you're just trying to get it close. Okay? I do believe that you can paint them. So let's say you have a white nightstand. If you come to the white paint, you should be able to, oh, maybe not. I thought you'd be able to paint your nightstand. At least in my other program you can. Doesn't look like it. So just try and get your furniture close. I understand that you are limited in what they have here for you for your bedroom. Okay? But again, you can see, if you run your mouse over it, you can see the different types of nightstands they have. They have some dressers. Okay, make sure you go all the way through and look at all of them. Okay, so maybe I've got a dresser over here. Eventually, as you go down, they'll have desks. Okay. If you aren't finding what you need, it might be under a different category. So you can see here the categories for the bedroom. That might be easier for you to go through. So if you have a bedroom chair in your room, okay, maybe you've got a chair here. If you're looking for a desk, that might be in more of the office category. Okay, if you have a desk in your room, probably not that big of a desk. Okay, but you get the idea. This should look exactly like your bedroom. The furniture might be a little bit off, but it should look pretty similar, okay, to your drawing that you sent me with all the furniture that you have in there. Okay, now if you have a TV in your room, I do believe that they have TVs in here as well. Might be in like a living room. You guys can mess around and look for what you have in your rooms. Or you can even search TV. And that might just be a TV stand. If you place something you don't like it, you can hit delete. You can also angle it. So let's say in your room it is angled. Okay, you can take it and angle it differently. Okay. And then if you don't like where something is, you can always delete it. Search all categories. Let's try that. TV. There we go. There's a TV. So maybe I have my TV on the wall there. Okay? So you can kind of see as you are placing all your furniture, keep going in between the 2D view too, or the 3D view. Unfortunately, in this guy, oh, you can edit it. If you hit the pencil, okay, and you can change your view here. You can change how the camera sees it. So right now I'm looking at my door. Okay, I can also have it up and down and swivel around. You can show my view. But you should be able to take this TV and move it so you can get it. Just keep messing around with stuff. It's an easy way to just move things around and keep going with it. Okay? If you slide here, you can see the difference between the 2D and the 3D view. The 3D view might be a little bit easier for you to see the objects here before you place them on the wall. Okay? Make sure you keep hitting save. The next video will be images that I want you to take for me and any other small details for this project.